Yeah, before 6 months ago, that was my first video, and that video uploaded on YouTube. So that time I was a little bit fear and some little bit hesitation also that time. But
Yeah.
right now, I eliminated my hesitation, and I know you, that's why I have not getting any problem speaking with you. But
Yeah.
yeah, but where at that time it was very difficult for me to face a camera. And when you upload that video, I share that video to my close friends, and they appreciated me a lot. And that's why I get energy and fuel, and I continue my this journey. And I'm speaking with many guys on other application on audio calling. But right now, mostly time I speaking with guys on this platform, YouTube platform. And I think there are more than 25 videos on YouTube. Maybe you have seen anyone. So this
Yeah,
is
I saw your many video because I saw with your many video to other YouTuber because you did a lot of conversation that many people. So it is great, sir. Actually, just I want to share one thing. As per my understanding, because if you are talking to the people like voice call, so
yeah,
that is something different, right?
yeah,
And when you are going to face the people, right, when you are going to face the people like whatever we are doing as of now, so that is quite different too, right?
yeah,
Because you are face the people, you like you feeling in your side somebody sitting in front of me, so how I need to react, how I need to talk, what I need to say, and how I need to give the answer on better way, right?
yeah,
If you are like talking to any people, any person on voice call, somewhere you relax, you feeling relaxed, okay, that's fine, okay, whatever
yeah,
the people are saying, okay, if I am not be able to answer them, that's fine, you feel like that,
yeah,
right? So
yeah.
so something is different whatever we are doing as of now, because
Very
we are
different.
facing people, right?
Yeah,
You are sitting in front of me, so somewhere I'm scared whatever I am saying, that is correct or not, right, sir?
yeah,
So it is
yeah,
very good actually, as for my understanding. And whatever we are thinking in that audio call, we are not like scared, and we are like okay, just a conversation, don't need to worry, and the people are not worry actually. So same way we have to think like in this conversation, video conversation also, because when you are thinking okay, maybe while conversation I did mistake, right? So it it's a like, whatever you indicate your mind, it's, surround in your like all bodies, okay, maybe I did mistake, maybe I did mistake, how I need to say right word. So don't need to think like that. As for my understanding, maybe you also did a lot of conversation, so you have also more and more idea, so you can also suggest me where it is right or not wrong. So if we are like playing with that, right? If we are like whatever we have like mother tongue language, we are most of the people in India, they happy to talk in Hindi, right? Happy to talk in Hindi, and they very fluent in that because the people are talking since their childhood. So that's why they very fluent in that, right? If we are talking about English, so they decide to learn English after some year, after 25 year, after 30 year, after 45 year. So they having that much experience to speaking that language. It's called Hindi, right? So now I am decided to learn English. Obviously, it will take time. The thing is how much I am like giving the time to learn this new language, English language. So this is very important. How much I am engaging ourselves in that language, right? This is also very important. If I am giving the time like 15 minutes or 20 minutes or half an hour in a daily basis, and I'm thinking in your mind, okay, I need to become a like a very fluent speaker, that's really not possible, that's really not going to work. So first of all, we need to give more and more time to understand the language, to habitual our body, how we need to talk more and more. That's thing we need to understand first. Maybe you can suggest me. Maybe you have also a lot of experience. You are did a lot of conversation. You talk to the various people, so you have also experience how we can uh, enhance our communication. What we need to do for that.
Yeah, actually, speaking on audio calling and speaking on video calling is so different according to me, because as a beginner, when we speak on video calling, that time I know that other side caller is not in front of you, and there,
Sometime,
yeah,
right?
sometimes there is no need to no, not importance to, you have to not give you importance to the hand gesture and your expression. But when you are speaking on a video calling face to face and facing a camera, that time you should have to prepare yourself for everything. Otherwise, that time you have not get a time to react, and sometime other side caller asking any question. That time you have not getting time to think and give answer. But when you are speaking on video calling, if you are getting any problem, you can disconnect the call, or you can wind up a conversation early. Anything you can do. But when you are speaking on video calling, it is not easy for beginner, because we are beginner. I am a beginner. Yeah.
I'm
So
also not advanced, but I am also somewhere I'm also beginner because I am also learning. Still, I'm learning. I want to become like a good
no,
speaker. So obviously, it will take time, and let's see what we can do.
no, you are not a beginner like me. You are in between advanced level and intermediate level, and you are just you will jump to the advanced level, because I watched your videos. Just I was watching one video with I think mm, that the lady is from UP, and Soundya, not Soundya, Yashoda.
Yes, so that ma'am, right, right.
Yashoda, ma'am. Yeah, you were discussing about viewers. So I think you have your 2 to 3 video I checked, and it get more than, I think one video got 4 point more than 4K.
Right, right.
Yeah, yeah, Minakshi, and second one is Anisha. That video got also good views. So you were discussing about the viewers, and some video you have not getting some viewers, but don't upset, because yeah, as a that ladies told you that it's there is a ups and down in your life. So continue your journey, and definitely will be success, and your viewers will be increased. Because when I was connected with one ladies, she's from Pakistan, and her channel's name is Secret Superstar. Maybe you know that, you know?
Yes, I know. I also
Yeah,
did conversation with her.
yeah, yeah. So when I connected with when I connected with him, her, and he that time he discussed with me that sir, if you are, if I upload this video, maybe this video will be get more viewers. So I told him that yeah, maybe I don't know, but yeah, you can upload that video. So he uploaded video, and I think within one day that video got more than 1.5K. So
Wow, great.
so yeah, so because before that, every video he get only 200, 500, more, not for more than 500 viewers. So she again texted message me and requested me to we will to make one another conversational video. So again I gave him permission. We make one conversational video. He again upload that video on YouTube. That video also got good viewers. So I don't know why people are like some videos. Sometimes we speak more very, I mean, fluent in. Sometimes some videos are very good, but the viewers are not getting. I don't know what depend on viewers getting that video, but I checked your all videos, so I come to know that Yashoda ma'am's video have getting a lot of viewers, and that lady is very talented, and people are like to watch her videos. And before that, when I connected with you, that video also get about 1K videos. I just checked. So don't be upset, and yeah, continue. But before some months ago, you had taken a break, I think, You are not consistently, I mean, consistent on your
Yeah,
YouTube.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Because I not uploaded almost 1.5 months or maybe 2 months.
yeah,
Because that time I was busy with some something, so that's why I not uploaded video. And nowadays I'm uploading. Sometime I upload in 2 days and 3 days. In between time I'm going to upload. But yeah, it's going. And nowadays I'm not getting good response from YouTube. Let's see what we can do. Because the first thing is we have to be consistent, and we can't like decide and we can't do anything. It's we all about like public and YouTube algorithms.
that's why I mentioned here that don't be upset because it's happening with everybody. So definitely, if you can keep consistency, if you upload video on daily basis, then people will like that videos. And as that lady told you that thumbnail is also important, and also title is important. So try to uh, see that things, and yeah,
Yeah, yeah, true, true, true. And nowadays, sir, many people they are making these kind of video. Earlier, there very less YouTuber they are making a one-to-one conversation, and nowadays many people they are start their YouTube channel, and they are making these kind of conversation like video conversation, and they are start uploading on YouTube.
yeah. Number of YouTuber are on this platform, and yeah, beginners have a good chance opportunity. You can connect with them. They are beginner. They are supportive. They are supporter. And as a beginner, there are many YouTuber. They are really helping to beginners like you, because you are the first person who uh, give me opportunity. And after then, I met many YouTubers.
My concern is I just I'm trying to help those people who want to something they want to achieve, something they want to learn, something they want to do in that career. So that's why it's like you can see my video when I was start my channel. You can see my first, second, third video. That
Yeah,
time I was very scared. I was not be able to speak on the good way, and now I can speak, I can manage, I can answer questions, I can do
yeah,
everything.
yeah, yeah,
So that's why if I can do it, everybody can do it. If they are got opportunity, definitely they can do it. If they having like inside there, like okay, I want to learn English, obviously they can learn. And nowadays I'm also thinking to like start some different kind of video, right? Like
yeah,
stories video. Sometime I'm just going to upload like I'm not going to converse with like whatever we are doing as of now. I'm doing this also, and apart from like any kind of stories, right? I'm just going to
yeah.
discuss some motivational video, some speech. Just I want to speak, and then people they watch. So these kind of activities I'm also thinking to start in future, right? And that is also very good.
Yeah. So right now, where are you speaking from?
As I told you, I'm speaking from my village only. That belongs to Bihar.
But when we made one conversation video with you before 6 months, that time you were speaking from Bangalore and you are working in IT sector according to. Am I
Yes,
right?
still I'm working, but I'm working work from home, so that's why.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah, that time also I working. I was working like work from home. Now I am also working work from home.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, in I think you are from Chhattisgarh.
No, no, no. I'm from Bihar.
Yeah, sorry, sorry, Bihar. I'm. I think I made one two conversation video with two video YouTuber from Bihar. And also I make a conversation on other applications like buddy talk mostly are teachers, female teachers, and they requested me to, sir, if you have time then we will make conversation on that platform. But as you know that I'm working in election office, I get have hardly time, and I am have a lot of risk processes and in my home. So it is very difficult for me to give them time. But sometimes I make conversation with that teachers